Think math.
Here is a table with nothing but relative frequencies. 0.2, 0.5, 0.3. No headcount appears anywhere. Can we work out how many people were in each class? To be honest, from this alone, we cannot. Start with why not. A relative frequency was the frequency divided by the total. So to undo it, we multiply both sides by the total. Frequency equals relative frequency times the total. But the total is right there in the formula. Without it, there is nothing to multiply by. 0.2 could be 2 out of 10 or 200 out of 1,000. Now let one more thing be known and everything changes. Pick any class at all and tell me its head count. Say the class whose relative frequency is 0.2 holds 10 people. Then the total is that frequency divided by that relative frequency. 10 divided by 0.2 is 50. The total is out. With the total known, the rest follows in a line. The class at 0.5 is half of 50, so 25. And the class at 0.3 is 30% of 50, so 15. That one figure was the key that brought the whole table back. The relative frequencies carried the shares, and that one class carried the size. Check it while we are here. The recovered frequencies come to 10 plus 25 plus 15, which is 50, exactly the total we worked out. And the relative frequencies add to 1, as last time showed. The two checks hold each other up. So a relative frequency is a share, which means the size was thrown away. Hand back any one number that carries the size, and a single multiplication brings the whole table back to life. Next time, why two groups of different sizes have to be compared by relative frequency? See you in the next one. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.